Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some pretty decent profits off this Bitcoin bull market. So if you look at my latest count on the Bitcoin chart, you can see that my wave one for Bitcoin ended in 2017-18. And I have revised my chart to basically reflect my previous analysis. One of my previous ideas where I suggested that the move down to 2019 was an A wave followed by a B wave, and then the C wave happened in 2022. So taking that approach to this chart, the rest of the market basically started to produce the D wave, right? The D wave was basically an ongoing move, which is still ongoing. And I'm going to show you in this video how that first A wave of the D wave occurred up until we had that correction at the highs. And I'm going to show you how we can replicate that same pattern to trade the C wave of the D wave, the zigzag, right? Now, after this move completes, I'm suggesting that yes, we're going to see an E wave down. It could go pretty low given market conditions. But until then, I'm not being bearish. I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on this move. So let's move over to the other Bitcoin chart right now, where I show you basically the same thing, just on a chart where I can basically zoom in a little bit more. So, okay, so we're looking at this from a weekly view, and we have the same waves here. Wave 1 ended 2017. Had an A, a B, a C, and the D is ongoing. Now, the reason why I say it's a D wave is because every wave within the A wave signifies a 5-wave move. And it basically came to me during a whole bunch of analysis that yes, this is the B wave completed at the highs. So now we can expect to see another move, same as this A wave in brackets, right? In parentheses, we can see a C wave mirror that same move. Now, how are we going to do this? Now, this is very important that you pay attention. So if we go to the daily chart, right, I'm gonna explain to you how I count this first move. So here at the lows, we had a very small wave 1. We had an A, B, C, D, E. So that was the first part of this 5-wave move. This is where wave 2 ended. So after wave 2 ended, we can see that wave 3 took shape very nicely, made a nice move, right? That move was about 200%, right? So that move had to start off with a 5-wave move, which retraced almost 100%, right? So this particular move here is the same move we're seeing right now. As you can see, I've marked out this area, this particular, yeah, let's get rid of that. Okay, so the wave 2 ended here, right? So this particular move that we're seeing now is this move here. So this move is about to end, and then we're going to see a pullback, right? We're going to see a pullback. It cannot go lower than this move here. Once we get that pullback, wave 3 will begin, and we will get a move higher. Now, this is very important because this will give us a very good place to go long if you're trading leveraged, futures type trading. You have a support level that cannot be surpassed. Like, price cannot go below this level. This is a support level, very important. We can't go below that. Same as back here. See, price never went down below the start of wave 1. So I believe that we will get a similar thing happen before we get that next thrust in wave 3 for the wave C in parentheses, all the way up to 250,000 or 300,000, right? But first, we need to see that correction. Now, I will be paying close attention to each wave to ensure that we get the accurate entry that we deserve in order to take, to place a good trade, to take advantage of this opportunity that's incoming. So I just thought I'd make a video here highlighting this information so that you can get ready to take advantage of this trade opportunity that's coming very soon.